instructions from Nacho Beristain. Words from a father to a son. At sabi ni Nacho, are you okay? Do you still want to go on?
Obviously, they know that he is in trouble. Here comes De La Hoya. We don't know what he has in there. He is still the golden boy.
Pero binubulti po ng pambansa kamao itong si Oscar De La Hoya. Almost at will. Sabi ko nga kanina, hindi itong binalin ni Oscar De La Hoya when he agreed to fight Manny Pacquiao.
Pagbaga yung mga salita nila, no?
Because the South's advantage has been obliterated by the speed and fighting skills of Manny Pacquiao. That's so obvious in this fight.
It did not even manifest itself. In the first round, that reach advantage was not there at all.
Wait na yan tao.
Saka hindi ko nakikita yung superiority sa skills nito si Oscar De La Hoya. Ngayon tatanungin natin, yung age, paano?
Bilis eh.
Is age a factor in this fight? Well, the way it's coming along, yes. I think maybe the wear and tear of a long ruling career. Oscar De La Hoya is not pinned against the ropes. Ito mo si Tony Weeks, so talagang tinitignan niya kung ano bang gagawin ito si Oscar De La Hoya. They want to preserve a legend. And I don't think Tony Weeks really wants Oscar De La Hoya to absorb a terrible beating and go down.
I agree, but I don't think it's just because it's De La Hoya. It's because it's a man who's being pummeled.
Bakit mo naman pinapali De La Hoya yung kamay niya? Ano sumakay na siya?
He has to throw punches. At this point, he has to throw punches. 1 minute and 20 seconds into this round. De La Hoya is not throwing anything.
It's an up and down attack. A complete domination of someone who's considered to be a legend in boxing. Wala na,
those knees are just...
Wala, hindi na kaya.
It's buckling, it's melting, it's disappearing slowly from under De La Hoya.
You know, it's a combination of age. I think it's also the fact that he has had to bring down his weight. It reminds me of Eric Morales versus Manny Pacquiao 3. Morales just didn't have much any longer because he reduced so much to make the weight. Di ba iniisip ni Oscar De La Hoya mag-retiro na bago niya po itong laban na to? Palagay ko ngayon, magbabago isip niya sa klase ng beating that he is receiving from Manny Pacquiao. Well, let's hope he keeps it up. And we're talking of Manny Pacquiao. This is just round 8. Mahaba pa itong laban.
He's trying.
Pero wala, hindi na ni Manny, oh.
Well, you know, partner, it's already round 8, no? And he's tired. And those punches are not the De La Hoya punches that we were looking for in the early round. And
Nahirapan din siya, no? Nahirapan diyang maigi,
Sa taas din yung right to Oscar De La Hoya.
Ang galing